Hello students, as you are taking the admission for the commerce and we are knowing that commerce is totally related to the business, right? So in this commerce section we are having this most common subject, that is language, English, Marathi, Hindi, or whatever is to be. That is the common we are studying from the school section, right? But major related to the business, the subjects are organization of commerce and management, then bookkeeping and accountancy, and secretarial practice, that is also known as what, SP, right? Now what is the meaning of this all subject? See, we are knowing that management word is there, how to manage the business, right? Bookkeeping and accountancy, how to maintain the records of the business. And the next one is secretarial practice, that is SP. What we will study in the SP is totally a subject which is tells us the duty, the whole details about the secretary. Now who is the secretary? See, we are learned this word, or we are heard this word many time in the movies, that there are big business organizations are they are showing, and they are showing that there is a secretary of this big organization, right? Now secretary is the person who know each and every aspects of the business, right? Now what the secretary does for the company, or what is the position of a secretary in a business, how important is the secretary from the business point of view, that all things we will learn in this subject, that is known as what, secretarial practice. See, if you go to the index part of our textbook, it shows us a total 12 chapters, which is divided in a different topics, right? In that, first we will learn what is the meaning of secretary. Then, what is the company, how the company is formed. Then, what are the important document related with the company. Then, who are the members of the company, directors and key manager position of a company. It means what are the different positions, who are the persons which are important in the company, meetings of the company. Then what is the skills that is required by the secretary, and what are the duties is secretary perform regarding the directors, banks and statutory authorities. This whole contains our 11th standard portion for the secretarial practice, right? Now today we'll start with the first topic, that is name is the secretary. So in the first topic we'll learn what is the meaning of the secretary, what are, what is his feature, what is the importance of the secretary, and what are the various types of a secretary. Now who is the secretary, right? See, as olden days, the business was in the small scale. It is related to only one person. But nowadays, the business is from the one person to more and more person, right? Now it means they are operated on the very large scale. So as the Indian economy, it means as our India is a developing country, there are so many large organizations which are existed in our country, and which are makes the major changes in our economic situations. So as the we are knowing, for business, the finance is a very important thing which is required to run the business smoothly, and finance is needed to establish a business, to run it, to modernize it, expand it, and to diversify diversify. The role of financial management is an important point from the in the corporate world, right? So our subject secretary practice deals, it means what, in our subject secretary practice we will learn from the word, how the word secretary come from, right? What is the features of this secretary, what are the various types of secretary, what is the important qualification required to become a secretary, what is his different duties relate of the secretary. This all we are learn in our in our subject secretarial practice, right? Now first we'll find out what is the origin of the secretary. It means what is the birthplace of the secretary. Word secretary, from where this word secretary came from, right? As in the 19th century, as a persons involved in the daily correspondence, and then the related to the finances assume the title secretary. It means what? See, when your business, the business is not related to only one person, it is related to the thousand and so more customers, so information has to be provided to that persons. So from that part of view, the secretary word has came. See, the Latin word secretarem and or secretars, which means the secret. Now the secretary's word came from the Latin word secretum or the secret, the meaning of which is secret, right? The word secretary is derived from the Latin word secretarius, which means someone who works for a person of a great importance. It means what? A person who is having the important place, right? Or a person who is knowing the secrets of all the. And in Roman times, the word scribe was a professional letter writer or one who maintained confidential record, right? It means what? In Roman times, the word secretary came from the scribe, or the scribe as a person who is a professional letter writer or one who maintained the confidential record. And in ancient Indian history, secretary was referred to as Amatya Sachiv or Chitnis, which means a person who does the secretarial work, right? Now, in today's world, the state and central government also have the secretaries for various departments functioning under the control of ministries in the Sachivalaya. So overall, all this we have came to know that who is a secretary. Secretary is a person who knows all secrets of the business, who work for the business, who work as a who handle all the correspondence work of a business, right? Or who maintain all this confidential record is known as what? Secretary, right? Now we will see the secretary came from where. See, first it is from the Latin language. The word is known as what? Secretaries. And what is his meaning? He is a person who is a confidential writer or officer which whom secret are trusted by employer. It means what? See, owner by his way share all the secrets of a business with a person who is working for the business is known as what? Secretary. Roman Empire, the meaning is what? Scribe. A professional letter writer or one who maintain confidential record. Indian history. In Indian history, olden days, the secretary is known as what? Amatya Sachiv or Chitnis. Or in this way, in this form, they are existed. A person who does secretarial work. So we can say that the secretary origin is from the Latin known as secretarius. From Roman Empire, it is known as scribe. And in Indian history, it is before olden days, the secretary is known as what? Amatya Sachiv Chitnis, who maintain the confidential work, who is interested by the employer, who is work as a confidentially only for the business, right? So see students, again some additional information is here that in 1870 Sir Isaac Pitman founded a school where students could qualify as a professionally writer. Professionally writer, it means they are write only by the way of professionalism. In 1888, with the inventions of typewriters, the role of secretary increased. In an effort to promote professionalism, the National Secretaries Association was created in the 1942 in the USA. Later, a special secretariat day was created, which will be in the last week of April. This week is now known as what? Administrative Professional Week, right? Now, we'll learn about the meaning of the secretary. See, the Oxford Dictionary defines the secretary as a person whose work is to write for others, specifically one who is employed to conduct correspondence, keep record, and to transact various other business for other person or for a society, corporation, or public body. Now, what is this meaning? This meaning is says a person who is work for what? Another person. It means he is employed by another person. For what is the reason? To work under his. Which work? To conduct correspondence. It means what? Record. Which record? Writing a letter and all that, right? Maintain record. And to transit various other business. Transit other business, it means he can handle all the business related to the business who is appointed to him, and for a society or corporation or a public person. It means what? Suppose ABC Limited is a company, and in that ABC Limited, suppose Mr. Z is appointed as a secretary. So whatever is the official work that will be handled by the Mr. Z on behalf of the ABC Limited company, he will maintain all the record. He will communicate with the persons related to ABC Limited company by correspondence, means by writing letters and all that, providing them information that. So Mr. Z is known as what? A secretary. The second definition, we will learn that a company secretary as 1980 define Companies Act 2013 section 24. Company secretary or a secretary means a company secretary as defined in the clause C of subsection I of section 2 of the Company Secretaries Act 1980, who is appointed by the company to perform the function of a company secretary under this act. It means what? Whatever is the functions written in the Companies Act, that function is conducted by the person is known as what? Company secretary, right? So and this Companies Act 2013 section 224. See, the olden days Companies Act of 1956, now it was amended in the 2030. So all this is sections in which the detailed information is provided, and from all about the two definition, we can say that secretary is appointed to ensure the smooth functioning of the organization and assist in various functions related to the correspondence, meeting, record keeping, and any such administrative work. It means what? We can say that the secretary is a person who is appointed by the company to make the sure to the company that whatever is the duty assigned to him, he or she will do perfectly. Which are the duty? He or she will help in the various functions, such as writing a letter informing to the others, then conducting the meeting on behalf of the company, maintaining the records of the company, and any other official work, any other administrative work. So we can say that the secretary is appointed to ensure the smooth functioning of the organization and assist in various functions and related to the correspondence, meeting, record keeping, and any other such administrative work.